Before we get started, you will need at least the last 4 digits of the MAC address of the station you are adding. If you have that handy, we are ready to connect our laptop to the WiAPC via the Ethernet cable. Using your browser, and Chrome is highly recommended, navigate to the IP address for the WiAPC. The default username is admin, and the default password is password. On the Station Setup tab, we need to remove the MAC address for the station that is being replaced. If you don't know it, you can see which stations have which MAC address on the list on the Station Settings tab. We'll look at that in a moment. For this demo, we will be removing this one, so we just click Delete, then Verify. Back over on the Station Settings tab. Scroll down just a little bit, and you can see that the MAC address I just deleted was for station number 8. If you don't currently have your replacement station, you can disable station number 8 over here on the APC Settings tab. Just toggle the switch from on to off, then click on Save Active Stations. Remember that when you are ready to replace the station, this station needs to be re-enabled in the same way. Now let's add our new station. On the Station Setup tab, scroll down here and click on Search for Stations. A window will pop up that lists all stations that the network detects. Look carefully through all the MAC addresses that are listed. If you cannot find your MAC address, there may be a yellow bar near the bottom that reads View Other APBs. When you click on that bar, other stations should be listed. Once you have found the matching MAC address, click the Add button next to it. Allow the 10-second countdown to finish, and click Close. Navigate to the Station Settings tab, and under Station ID, we'll scroll down to Station 8 again, and choose the new corresponding MAC address. We only added one new MAC address, and it's the only choice here. Once it's selected, click the Set ID button in that column. Then we're going to scroll down to the section titled Station Phase and Sync Call. Verify that the phase for your new station is set correctly. Click on the Send button for just that station, then click Done. Scroll down to the next section, Station Mode. Under Set APS Mode, ensure that MUTCD is selected in the drop-down list for your newly added station, and click Send. Your station should now be added and functioning. But before we finish up, we really recommend sending all the settings on the Station Settings tab to the new station to make sure they match what is programmed in the WiAPC. So let's do that really quick. Scroll down, and send the station walk timeout. Send the extended press timing. Send the vibration intensity. I'm noticing here that some of the other stations have intensities higher than 30% for some reason, so I'm going to go ahead and fix all of them while I'm here. If you set the red dropdown to 30%, then click the yellow Send All Stations, Vibration Settings button, all of them will get updated. 30% is the recommended setting here, and will help extend the life of the motor, and should be high enough for most applications. We'll scroll down and send the locator interval timing. And last we'll check and send the volume settings. The primary thing we need to verify here is that none of the low or min volumes are below 39, as that will be in the mute range. Verify that they are at least 39, and the other volumes are where you want them, then click Send. And we will do the same for non-locator volumes as well. Now verify that your button is up and running, and we are done. If you need to customize audio in your station, we will cover that in another video.